Meet Sarah, 28, drowning in $67,000 debt. She's a single mom, barely sleeping. Creditors are calling, threatening to sue. Her world is crumbling, fast. Sarah earns $45,000 a year, working 2 jobs. She's exhausted, but debt is suffocating her. Her monthly payments are $2,500, minimum. That's 67% of her take-home pay, gone. Did you know 40% of Americans can't afford a $400 emergency? Sarah's living that nightmare every day. She's behind on rent, utilities, and groceries. Her credit score is 520, a disastrous number. One day, Sarah hit rock bottom, literally. She cried herself to sleep, feeling hopeless. But then she discovered a debt payoff method. It's called the snowball method, and it works. Here's how it works. You list all debts, smallest to largest. You pay minimum on all, except the smallest one. You attack that one with every extra penny. Once it's gone, you move to the next, and so on. Sarah's smallest debt was a $2,000 credit card. She paid $500 a month, until it was gone. Then she moved to the next, a $5,000 loan. She paid $1,000 a month, until that was gone too. Did you know the average American has $31,300 in student loans? Sarah had $20,000 in student loans, with 6% interest. She consolidated them into a 4% loan. She saved $100 a month, just on interest. Sarah's debt payoff journey was brutal, but effective. She sold her car and bought a cheaper one. She cooked at home, instead of eating out. She canceled subscription services, like Netflix. After 3 years, Sarah paid off $67,000 in debt. She saved $10,000 in interest, along the way. Her credit score is now 750, excellent. She's building wealth, finally. Did you know 75% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck? Sarah's not one of them, anymore. She's free from debt, and feeling empowered. You can be too, by using the snowball method. Subscribe to our channel, Wealthwise AI, for more stories. Learn how to pay off debt fast and build wealth. Sarah's story is inspiring, but it's not unique. You can achieve financial freedom, just like her.